Hi everyone, I'm Alfred BUAN, Maintenance Senior Manager at Bostik, Philippines. On daily basis, we monitor plant energy consumption and water consumption. We do trend of the consumption per area and some lines. And then we analyze and understand which area, which line, and up to what month the plant consumes more. We also share this consumption data to plant leaders and to the whole plant for environmental awareness. Yes, from the consumption rate, we were able to identify some issues and opportunities like identifying and repairing pipe leaks, high-consuming energy equipment. It's a recent initiative about use of renewable energy. In fact, we're using electricity generated from fossil fuels in our light posts. But now we convert this to a solar LED with motion sensors. So we were able to reduce our electricity consumption using this solar energy. And we are to extend this initiative to our plant parking area. I think we're getting in that directions of really reducing our carbon footprints. We're looking forward to extend this renewable energy projects such solar power to power up the whole plant operations. I made a personal commitment to reduce my meat consumption and to carpooling and use public transport as much as possible.